You may want to pause the video to have a go at this exercise yourself. I'll now go on to look at the solution to this question, which is saying write 32 times 2 to the power 8 as a single power of 2. Well, we know that 2 times 2 can be written as 2 to the power 2, which is 4. And if I carry on to the next line, 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the 3, which we know is 8. I could show another example, but I wish to move on to show you this, that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the 5, is equal to 32. Now this power of 2 has come from the fact that here I've got a multiplication that has 2 2's. This is 3 because you can see there are 3 2's here, and this is 5 because here you can see there are 5 2's that form this multiplication. I'll now write out 32 times 2 to the 8, which is in the original question. We know 32 can be written as 2 to the 5, so I'll put that here. It's then multiplied by the 2 to the 8. We can carry on by saying this is equal 2 to the power, and in the brackets you can see I've put 5 plus 8. This is allowed because if you look here, the base is 2 in both of these cases, and they are both raised to an exponent or an index, 5 and 8 respectively. And you can see we're multiplying together. So it means we can write the base here, and we take the index from here and place them in this position, as you can see. And because these are multiplying, we're allowed to add the indices. And that's a rule of indices that you really need to understand. I won't cover an understanding of it here. I'm just reminding you of it for this solution to the problem we've been given. So we can carry on and write 2 to the power 13 because 5 plus 8 is 13. So 32 times 2 to the 8 as a single power of 2 is 2 to the 13.